Imagine it's Monday morning. Your parents hand you your weekly allowance. Your wallet is thick, and you feel entirely financially secure. So you grab a bubble tea after school, maybe some fried chicken on Wednesday. Then Friday arrives. You need to buy a birthday gift for a close friend, but you open your wallet and find absolutely nothing. The money didn't disappear, it just drifted away in small, uncalculated choices. This cycle of Monday confidence and Friday panic is avoidable. The solution is Lupkewa Chi2, creating a spending plan. To master your money, we are going to break down 5 essential steps. A spending plan provides a clear map for your money, helping you reach your Friday goals without running out of cash midweek. It helps you decide where your money should go before you have a chance to spend it. Step 1 is Saktin Muktiu, or identifying your goal. You have to give your money a purpose, like deciding you want to save 50,000 dong by the end of the month. To reach that goal, you need Step 2, Saktin Gakwan Ganchi. This means assigning every expense to one of 3 categories. The first category is Tiet Il, your fixed needs, things you cannot survive without, like daily meals. The second is Lingquat, flexible wants, items like comics or snacks. The final category is Fatsing, emergencies, unexpected costs you can't predict. Let's test this. Look at these 3 expenses: a bowl of pho for breakfast, a ticket to a PC gaming cafe, and the cost to fix a broken bike chain so you can get to school. Pause the video and decide exactly which bucket each of these belongs in. The pho is fuel for your body. That's a fixed need. The broken bike chain keeps you from getting to class. That is an emergency. The PC gaming cafe, no matter how much you want to play, is a flexible want. When budgets fail, it is usually because people mistake a desire for a mandatory need. Classifying your expenses honestly is the only way to protect your savings goal. Categorizing your expenses leads directly to Step 3, Titlip Quitak Tuchi, establishing the rules. Knowing what a want is doesn't help if you don't set a limit on how much you spend on it. This graphic from the textbook displays 2 pie charts comparing the spending habits of 2 different students, Phuong and Tui. Look at Phuong's chart on the left. Phuong is allowing 80% of the entire budget to be consumed by flexible wants. This structure leaves very little for daily necessities or emergencies, which often leads to a cash shortage. Compare that to Thui's chart on the right. Thui operates on a balanced framework. 70% is reserved for needs, 20% for wants, and 10% is protected for savings and emergencies. Let's apply Thui's rule to a real weekly allowance of 200,000 dong. 70% means 140,000 dong is for needs, 20% gives you exactly 40,000 dong for flexible wants, and 10% means 20,000 dong is safely stored away. Percentages on a chart are abstract. Converting those percentages into exact currency amounts gives you a specific limit for your spending. Writing numbers on a piece of paper is simple. Steps 4 and 5, Thuk Yet and Kiem Cha, Deal Ching, happen when you encounter real-world temptations. Let's look at this case study scenario from the text. You receive 1 million dong for Tet. You create a plan, assigning that money to buy a gift for your grandmother, an English study book, and a specific sweater. Friends invite you to an amusement park for 400,000 dong. You have the cash, but does it fit your plan? Run that cost through your rule. 400,000 dong means spending 40% of your Tet budget on a single flexible want in one afternoon. The math makes the decision clear. To protect your goals, the gift, the book, and the sweater, you may need to decline the ticket or find a more affordable way to spend time with your friends. Here is your final blueprint. You can take a screenshot of this. It includes the 5 steps to plan and execute, the 3 categories of spending, and a balanced rule to guide your math. Mastering a spending plan helps remove the stress of an empty wallet and gives you the ability to spend on what truly matters to you.